The Incredible Power of Baking Soda, a complete health and wellness guide. The magic in your pantry. Can something as simple as baking soda transform your health? From aiding digestion to improving kidney function and even supporting weight loss, this everyday ingredient holds incredible benefits. In today's video, we'll uncover the science behind baking soda, explore its effects on your body, and show you practical ways to incorporate it into your routine. But first, here's a question for you. Have you ever thought about the hidden potential of the items already in your kitchen? Why would you do that? If you were in charge of all the ingredients in the kitchen, why would you put theirs? I consider you and our friends at Rock Bottom Exercises like the first place we throw everything else in our daily life. Can help say, together, the science behind baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is a natural alkaline compound. Its ability to neutralize acids is what makes it such a versatile remedy. This simple reaction can provide relief for digestion, balance your body's pH, and even support essential organ function. Here's something to think about. Could such a humble ingredient really be key to improving so many aspects of your health? Let's dive deeper. Baking soda for kidney health. Your kidneys are essential for maintaining your body's balance, filtering out toxins and regulating acidity. Studies suggest that baking soda can help those with chronic kidney conditions by reducing the acid load on these vital organs. By drinking baking soda water in moderation, you may support your kidney's ability to maintain this balance. However, it's crucial to consult a healthcare professional, especially if you have an existing condition. Here's a question. How often do you think about the health of your kidneys and the role they play in keeping you energized and toxin-free? Baking soda for weight loss support. Did you know that baking soda may also support your weight loss journey? While it's not a magic bullet, its alkalizing properties can help reduce bloating and improve digestion, both of which contribute to feeling lighter and healthier. Some experts believe that drinking baking soda water before a workout can enhance performance by reducing lactic acid buildup in muscles. This may help you exercise more effectively and burn more calories. But here's the real question. What small, simple habit could you add to your routine to amplify your health and fitness goals? A natural antacid for better digestion. Let's not forget one of baking soda's most popular uses: soothing digestion. Drinking a glass of baking soda water can neutralize stomach acid and provide quick relief from heartburn and indigestion. Imagine how much discomfort you could avoid with this simple remedy. But remember, moderation is key. Too much baking soda can disrupt your body's natural balance. Here's something to think about. How many of our daily discomforts could be eased with natural solutions like this? Clear skin and general exfoliation. Baking soda isn't just good for your internal health. It's a fantastic tool for your skin, too. As a natural exfoliator, it removes dead skin cells, leaving your skin smooth and refreshed. Simply mix a teaspoon with water to create a paste and use it on rough areas like elbows, knees, or even your face for a gentle glow. Quick question: how often do you turn to natural remedies for your skincare routine? This might just become your new favorite. Detox your scalp and brighten your nails. If your hair feels weighed down or your nails look dull, baking soda can help. Follicle expand. Add a teaspoon to your shampoo to detoxify your scalp, or soak your nails in warm water with a pinch of baking soda to strengthen and brighten them. Here's something to consider. How much do we spend on specialty products when simple solutions like this are already at hand? Soothe tired feet and sunburns. Whether it's soothing tired feet or calming sunburned skin, baking soda is your go-to remedy. Add 3 tablespoons to a foot bath for instant relaxation, or mix it with cool water to create a soothing compress for sunburns. Think about it. How often do we overlook these natural, budget-friendly remedies for our everyday discomforts? The role of pH balance in wellness. Baking soda's alkalizing effect supports your body's ability to maintain a balanced pH. An overly acidic environment can lead to inflammation, fatigue, and even chronic health issues. By drinking baking soda water in moderation, you can help your body stay in balance and reduce the risk of many common problems. Now let me ask you this. How often do you consider the impact of pH balance on your overall health? It's more important than you might think. Simplicity meets power. So there you have it, the incredible power of baking soda. From supporting kidney health and aiding in weight loss, to improving digestion, skin, and more. This humble ingredient proves that simplicity can be powerful. Remember, natural remedies are most effective when paired with a balanced lifestyle of healthy eating, exercise, and rest. The key is finding what works for your body. Now, take a moment to reflect. What's one small change you could make today that could transform your health tomorrow? Maybe it starts with something as simple as this. Now it's your turn. Which of these tips will you try first? Or do you have your own baking soda hack to share? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more self-care secrets. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.